Well, that wraps it up for this morning. We have a coffee break now, and the breakout sessions will be starting at 11. All of the sessions are great, I promise. We actually have had a great process for selecting from over 300 different submissions, the 80 sessions that comprise the agenda. Was anyone here on the program committee, by the way? I just want to thank you in particular. Okay, some of you raise your hand. We had 11 members of our community act as the filter on the sessions and pick really the best ones for you. So be sure to attend a lot of them, and they're all great, but if I could put my thumb on the scale for one of them, at 2:50, Sweta Rapakula and Tracy Kurt are hosting a session called All Are Welcome Here, really about how do we really grow the diversity and inclusiveness and civility in the Hyperledger community. So do check that out if you have a chance. And again, at 6 p.m., we'll be having kind of a wrap-up kind of Q&A here, so be sure and save time and come back for that. And right after that, we'll all board buses and go to our evening event. So, and of course, tomorrow and Friday, we've got the workshops. Please stick around for those if you can, because I guarantee you'll learn something new no matter where you are in the learning curve on any of these technologies. And with that, thank you and have a great day.